Harness the speed and strength of 5 rolling gods as you conquer Pantheon.
Oh yeah! Kool-Aid! Kool-Aid!
I'm on amusement park out for today. It's over. Oh my god. It's been so long since I've rode this. Daytime better than nighttime, or nighttime better than daytime?
They both have their advantages. I mean, it's dark at night, so it feels faster than it is because you can't really see what's coming. But in the day, the view is beautiful looking over the water. Whew.